Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a simple notification system in PHP. Okay, so there will be no type of OP like that. Okay, so just as simple the raw coding will be going here. Okay, so but before started you need to get some knowledge about PHP and some databases and SQL. So if you don't know these things, so just pause this video and get some knowledge about those. Alright, so let's get started. So before start we need our make a databases that will be called notification. So I have just to make a database here, so it will need two tables for this notification system. So there is one thing that what will go with this notification system, there will be a post page. Okay, there will be a post page, so user will be post something and he will, and another user will receive this as a notification. Okay, so just measure that this two page will measure by two users. Okay, so just take it so simply. Alright, so just to make the tables for that, so one table will be post, so this will be with two columns, so this will be ID and it will be auto increment. Okay, save it, and the title will be text. Just save it, and we need another table that will be called notifications. It will be three columns. Okay, so first one is ID, the second one is for title, and the third one is for this the notification is read or not. Okay, so in this case I'll leave it with integer and this will be text here. Okay, and just run it. See, okay, we have our two tables here. So in this case we can you can see that this post has a title and the notification has also the title. Alright, so if you're going deeper, so you just have a title and the details over here for your post. So you just pass your title over here, or you don't need the details, and you can also put the primary keys stuff like that, so get your original post. Okay, so I'm not just going to about the basics of that, just make a notification. Alright, so what will happen, so when a user make a post here, this post table, so then this post will be posted on this post table, and also he will get a this post title in the notification table. Okay, so this way the user will get the notification. Alright, so let's get our coding. So our index page will contains the notifications part. So notification. Okay, so just make it more visible on eyes, I'm just going to import this bootstrap CDN. Okay, so this is the bootstrap CDN here, and we need also bootstrap JavaScript files, so just importing that last, and we need also the jQuery stuff. Okay, so there's end of our little, the code entering. Okay, so we are just making a drop down here. Okay, so we can just take this code from here and just paste it. So what will be happen, we just refresh it. It will be the notification net connection. Okay, the drop down. Okay, so this is the drop down that we have just made, and then in this connect.php we need to connect with our database. So to do that, I'm going to use PDO for this connection. So just to make the connection, it will be MySQL, host is localhost, and DB name is equals notification. Okay, so username is root as default here, and the password is none. Alright, if I think it will be connected, but let's see again if this PDO, and it will be equal as connected. Okay, so if we go our connect.php, so yeah, it's connected. Okay, so we are connected with our databases. Okay, so where is it? Yeah, okay, so we get rid of this line, so we are just going to import it all of our code. Okay, so this is a post.php file, so we are going to post some data here. So just to make the title post here, and at first we include our database. Okay, so it will be include connect.php. Yep, and we just need a form here to make a post. Okay, so just make a form, just to make a style that text will be text as center, just for good visible to eyes. Okay, let's take a text area, and the name will be title. Okay, and just a little break here, and get a button for submit button, input type submit, name submit, and value just post. Okay, so in our form, our form action will be done in this space, so leave it blank, and the method will be post. Alright, so just let's see if our code is work or not. So just PHP tag started here, and let's check if we set this post, that we can get our post here. Post is submit, then just let's echo whatever string. Alright, so in this case we just make another tab. It will call, yep, already here post.php. Yep, my bad, syntax error, line number 12. Yes, so what will be, it will be, oh yeah, there will be a bracket missing. Okay, so this is our text area. Just leave something. Yes, we are getting our string here. Okay, so just get rid of that and make our notification go. Okay, so to make notification, just grab our title from the text area, so it will be called the post, and the title here, and now our main stuff is going to work. Okay, so we need two queries here. So one query is for the making the post on the post table, and another query is for to make the post on the notification table. Okay, so just to make a query here, insert query, it will be insert into posts, and there's only one field here that will be called title, and the values will be what, and our values will be the post title. Okay, so just title, and our another query q2 what it will be, insert into notifications, and our column name will be title and read in. So the notification is read or not, and the values will be two things. That first one is title here, and the second one read, we just leave it with 1, so our notification is not read. Okay, just make a flag, and then we need to execute our queries. So video.query, and pass our two queries here. Okay, so after that just echo posted. So let's see if our this script works or not. So just to make a test hi there, just post it. It is called posted. So just let's see in the database if it affects or not. I think it affects. Yes, we are getting hi there post and hi there in notification. So we get our notification, we get our data in a notification table. So you can really understand that. So we get a notification. Okay, so just we need to visualize that on user side. So how we can do that? So we need this drop down for our notification. All right, so let's go to our this page. Okay, so just get rid of this stuff and li puts here. Okay, so at first we need to include our connection file. So it will be include connect.php. okay, so now what we will do, okay, so in this button there will be, they call this drop down example. So get rid of that, just make it notification, and we put 0 here. Alright, we will work with it later, or we will work with it here also. So now our work is to get data from a notification table. Alright, so how we could do that? So we need to count at first, no, at first we need to get our data. Okay, so just data is equals, we have also PDU is included, so it will be the PDU and query will be what? Select star from notifications. I think the database name, let's check it out. Yes, notifications. Okay, so what will this query work? This just grab all the notifications from the notification table. Okay, and we just make a count of it. Okay, it will be called the PD, the data, and to count we need, we have a method called row count. Okay, and we just paste it, we just make this code available in here. That's PHP echo count. So this will read all the data, it will count the number of rows, and it will return the number of rows within numbers. Okay, so let's see if we can get it or not. just refresh it, and yes, we can see that the notification is 1. So our there, because what, because why, we just have one notification. So if I pasted, if I posted another post, so just leave another one, posted, and it will be posted, and we refresh it, so it will be notification is 2. All right, so great work. So now we need to also display this on the drop down. All right, so to do that, we need to import and include the PHP tag again here, and start it here, and we need to end with PHP, I think. Yep, I think we need it, so just leave it like there. Okay, so in here we just get our data. We are just get our full data from this query. So we just make a loop with here. This is called a for each loop, that is called the data as get rid of the key, data as the value. Okay, so just card these brackets and put it here, so it will be the loop all the data and print it here. So how we can now get printed here, just make a PHP tag and echo out our title, so it will be just value and our keys title. Okay, so I think it will be work fine. So if reload that, and yep, we have get our all notifications here. Okay, so just to make sure, we are just going to post another post that will call the third post. Okay, that's where it's posted, and refresh it. Yes, we have 3 notifications and our notifications are there. So that's the our first step of notifications. So, and then we are going to just just to make in next episode we are going to refresh some stuff here, just like we are going to get rid of this 3 notification. When we click on here, then it will be marked as read, so our notification will be 0. Okay, so and if we have another notification, and then we will put some styling here, just a red one. So we have, if we have this this notification is new, so it will be colored as red, and colored as red, and the other one will be not. Okay, so this is all about for now, so hope to see you in the next episode.